Welcome to the future of machinery. Today, we're diving into the world where power and precision combine to create groundbreaking solutions. Are you ready to witness the next frontier of innovation? Let's begin the journey. The power of this machine is truly remarkable. Powered by a strong 260 horsepower engine, the stump harvester offers a 7-meter hydraulic reach, effortlessly removing stumps and roots up to 2.5 meters deep, greatly improving land clearing efficiency. Prepare to be impressed by the Africa XE160, a powerhouse saw designed to handle logs up to 1.8 meters in diameter. It guarantees precision and efficiency for large-scale operations with a 10-meter cutting length with a 240 kilowatts motor. Witness the operation of this sawmill as the Hurdle automatic wood processor handles logs up to 1.5 meters in diameter, producing over 200,000 cubic meters of lumber annually with efficient, high-quality processing and minimal waste for large-scale operations. With its distinctive design, the LKT-130 stands out, combining all-wheel drive and a 43 degrees frame articulation for superior stability and maneuverability. Powered by a 140 horsepower engine, it can haul up to 12 tons of timber, making it ideal for challenging forestry tasks. This big poplar big sawmill, featuring a 27.5-inch saw blade, effortlessly handles logs up to 2.5 meters in diameter. It delivers high-efficiency cutting, producing precise planks and custom-sized products, making it an excellent choice for large-scale operations. Wow, what an impressive tree cutting feat! This person is felling a 40-meter tree from a height of 30 meters, carefully controlling every cut to ensure precision and safety. The skill and daring involved are truly remarkable. Powered by a 331 horsepower engine, the Komatsu XT5 feller buncher excels at handling trees up to 4 inches in diameter. With a harvest capacity of 100 tons per hour, it delivers efficiency and precision for large-scale timber operations. The log peeling line and SGM root reducer boost efficiency in wood processing and stump removal, handling large volumes with up to 10,000 cubic meters processed annually, adding significant value to operations. Easily lift up to 20 tons of wood onto trucks with a Tiger Cat 234 grapple loader. It can handle logs as large as 4 feet in diameter and reach up to 26 feet utilizing the advanced MH10 Intermarcado system for precise wood loading. Experience the power of the Woodworker Wood Processor 4820, featuring joystick control for enhanced comfort. It handles up to 20 tons, has an 18-inch saw blade, and a 126-inch foldable output, with a hybrid electric or petrol option. Witness the impressive performance of the Podadora TOLTH 4500. With a 155 horsepower engine, 53 feet mulching height, and two 38-inch saw blades, it handles pecan trees efficiently, offering powerful cutting and high reach capabilities. This homemade wood splitter, featuring a 24-way wedge, efficiently splits logs up to 30 inches in diameter. Powered by a robust hydraulic system, it handles large quantities of firewood, making it ideal for both commercial and personal use. After the great storm, the sight of large logs scattered across the mountainside is disheartening. The Komatsu 931XC clears debris, handling logs up to 60 centimeters in diameter, with a productivity of 50 tons per hour, aiding in storm recovery. Powered by a 120 horsepower engine, the Double T4 tractor is a true workhorse, effortlessly hauling timber across the toughest, muddy, hilly, and uneven terrains. Its tracked design ensures stability and reliability in the most challenging forestry tasks. Let's explore the Africa XE160, a powerful saw capable of handling logs up to 1.8 meters in diameter, delivering high efficiency and precision. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. Keep exploring with us. Catch you in the next one.